We're here at the Kerala Lit Fest in Kozhikode, and you can see miles and miles of books and miles of people. It's a really wonderful fest. But here, from the stage of the Kerala Lit Fest, we had Shashi Tharoor earlier today being asked about his differences with the Congress Party, and he said he was unapologetic about the position he took on Operation Sindoor, and as he saw it, that was the only point of difference. Now, given that Shashi Tharoor and books are almost synonymous, we thought no better a place than put to the people of Kerala the question, what is going on between Shashi Tharoor and the Congress Party? Hi, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir. What is your name?
My name is Louis.
Okay, hi. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
Are you following the fight between Shashi Tharoor and the Congress?
Yes, I am.
What do you make of it?
On one hand, I admire that he comes so much for all his achievements. He comes from my constituency, Trivandrum.
Okay.
And in so many ways, we all in India, we admire him. But I am usually disappointed by the fact that he's fighting with the Congress.
Why are you disappointed? We wish they weren't fighting.
They weren't fighting, and that he was not, he's now kind of appearing as if he's like changing sides. This is very disappointing.
So here at the Lit Fest, he says that he hasn't done anything wrong, and he took a position on the military conflict with India, between India and Pakistan, and he's not apologetic for that. What would you say to Mr. Tharoor? What would you like to see?
I would say ki, again, I would say like I like all his achievements. But I don't like the fact that he seems to be supporting the opposing party.
And what would you say to the Congress Party who's been accused of not using him enough, not giving him enough work?
Probably we should have been given more chances, but at the moment, based on the situation in the country, it doesn't seem much possible because they are not in power anyway. So,
well, you enjoy your books,
yeah.
and thank you for talking to us.
Thank you very much. I came just to see you on this show.
Oh, thank you so much.
Louis.
Thank you so much. By the way, since you're from Trivandrum, the BJP has a mayor there. What do you say about that?
That was also, I just don't feel very happy about.
So you're not a BJP supporter?
I'm not.
Yeah. All right. Hi. Nice to meet you. What did you just buy to read, by the way?
Really, these are up on like me. Actually, I used to get books from my mom.
Oh, and what is she like reading?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me now, who's your favorite writer? So tell me, from the Kerala Lit Fest stage, Dr. Tharoor was asked about his difference in the Congress, and he said that he had only one public disagreement, which was on Operation Sindoor, and he had done. He's not going to apologize for that. Are you all tracking the strikes, you think?
I don't basically see that as fight. Just an million and change the scale or intended the ideas. I can't see that.
Will it be a factor in the upcoming stage?
I don't think because as he has the with the party for quite a long time, but I not pretty involved much. You see, can already be involved with it, then I have to be very open about it. I see a million happy conquerors or Tiba. Party that people. So I can make it. I think it's with state election. It's quite difficult to say because whatever that we have to that. This should be very bad. I don't see if that can be acted. We can say that they'll be irritated of power.
So, when I led Shashi Tharoor in the Lok Sabha campaign, he would like the Chief Minister of Kerala. Now that doesn't look like that's happening anytime soon. You would like, yeah.
Maybe more than the political pressures we have this party party on this upheld or support something ideology that this is my thought.
You're a fan.
I'm not a fan, but I like it.
You like his mind. Yeah, his mind. All right, what's your name? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. So here at this amazing literature festival, where Shashi Tharoor, of course, is a big talking point, a big draw. Tharoor is in the headlines for other reasons, which is also politics, and we're going to try and get through the crowds. But in the meantime, let me show you the miles and miles and miles of books all the way right till the end of the hall. And look at the crowds here. It's very nice. to see. And by the way, while I'm here talking about Shashi Tharoor, I also found my own books, which is very nice. These are my two books for anybody who hasn't read them. This was my book on COVID, and this is my book on India, This Unquiet Land. So I wasn't planning on finding my own books, but that is a wonderful thing to see. I'm just going to give it to sir, and I'll be back. We're going to keep talking, sir, here. One minute, sir. Are you sending me? I have to wait for that.
ഇതിന്റെ ശ്രദ്ധയ്ക്ക് എല്ലാവിധ പ്രണയവും ഒരു 10 കോപ്പ് കൂടി 10 കോപ്പ് കൂടി ബില്ലിംഗ് കൗണ്ടറിലെത്തിക്കാൻ എല്ലാവിധ പ്രണയവും.
Okay, so at the Lit Fest, Shashi Tharoor was asked about his differences with the Congress party. Are you following that? Are you going to be voting in the elections this time? No, but tell me, which party do you like? You like the Congress? And the Congress seems to be at fight with Dr. Tharoor. So do you follow Shashi Tharoor?
Yes, I did.
Not too much. I was telling somebody that in the Lok Sabha he told me he wants to be Chief Minister of Kerala. What do you think of that idea?
എല്ലാവിധ പ്രണയവും.
If he runs alone, independent.
ഒരു കോപ്പി ബില്ലിംഗ് കൗണ്ടറിലെത്തിക്കാൻ നിരീക്ഷണയെ
So people here talking about an independent run for Shashi Tharoor and how they may think about that. In the meantime, you can see miles and miles of books and so many people out here to buy them. People don't really want to be drawn that much into politics. But let's try and get maybe a last word here. Yes, guys, what's
എഴുത്തുകാരി വർക്കാത് ഇപ്പോൾ ഉത്സാഹി സെക്ഷനുണ്ട്.
nice to meet you.
വർക്കാത് ഇപ്പോൾ ഈ പവലിയനിലുണ്ട്.
They're announcing that my here to sign
എഴുത്തുകാരിയുമായി സംവദിക്കാനുള്ള അവസരം.
But let me ask you, are you following the election and the politics? So Dr. Tharoor from the Kerala Lit Fest, he was asked about his differences with the Congress. And he said that
മലയാളം കാറ്റഗറി മാനേജേഴ്സിന്റെ ശ്രദ്ധയ്ക്ക് എല്ലാവിധ പ്രണയവും 10 കോപ്പി ബില്ലിംഗ് കൗണ്ടറിലേക്ക് എത്തിക്കുക. KR മീരയുടെ എല്ലാവിധ പ്രണയവും 10 കോപ്പി ബില്ലിംഗ് കൗണ്ടറിലേക്ക് എത്തിക്കുക.
Frank about his opinion,
Yeah.
which is good.
Yeah.
And usually politicians should be like that. They should not be, kind of biased into certain kind of basics. Of course, there should be in politics there should be certain basics which is to be followed. But out of that, the society also is to be taken care.
So do you think it's reached a breaking point and he should form his own party?
It's up to him. I mean,
Who do you like among all the foreign parties?
see, all parties are the same. It is all the individuals who are handling. So, we
Even
cannot
BJP is trying hard this time. They won their election very well.
correct.
You think that they can expand?
See, you can see that there is shift going on. Obviously, from Communist Party people are moving to BJP. From Congress Party people are BJP. From the BJP people are moving outside. So it is kind of party is constant over there. It's the people who is evolving, and maybe there are chances if people are evolving and evolving.
So who do you like?
Yeah, that is what I said.
Okay, all the best to you. So, well, there it is. That's the slice of public opinion, popular opinion from the Lit Fest. We thought that no better place than a literature festival to talk about what's happening with Shashi Tharoor in the Congress, the headlines being made from here in the Kerala Lit Fest because he skipped a major strategy meeting in Delhi. He said he was going to be attending this Lit Fest, and of course the question followed it right up until the stage of the Lit Fest. And now the big question is it a point of no return for Shashi Tharoor in the Congress? We simply don't know the answer to that. Here on the ground in Kozhikode with Anup and Riya. Partner than promoters. छोटा